Good morning, Grade 3. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 7, Day 4. Our topic for today is subtracting numbers with or without regrouping. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Let's review. Here are the following equations given from yesterday's assessment. Review the following equations and their answers. Lesson purpose intention. To subtract numbers where both numbers are less than 10,000 with or without regrouping. Lesson language practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Verify if the answer provided in each number sentence is correct. If the answer is correct, put a check mark. If the answer is incorrect, have the learner answer the following questions. What might be the reason for the incorrect answer? What is the correct answer? Here are the expected answers. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Verify if the provided answer is correct or not. Item 1. 2,286 minus 1,225 is equals to 1,061. To check if the difference is correct, let's add the difference and the subtrahend. 1,061 plus 1,225, that is equal to 2,286, which is the minuend. Therefore, 1,061 is the correct answer. Item 3. 4,306 minus 2,214, the answer is 2,092. To check if the difference is correct, let's add the difference and the subtrahend. 2,092 plus 2,214 is equals to 4,306, which is the minuend of the given equation. Therefore, 2,092 is the correct answer. Item 6. 7,569 minus 4,710, the answer is 2,859. To check if it is correct, let's add the difference to the subtrahend. 2,859 plus 4,710, that will give us 7,569, which is the minuend of the given equation. Therefore, 2,859 is the correct answer. Item 2. In this item, although the answer 315 is correct, the placement of digits in the difference is incorrect according to their place value. So we must arrange the minuend and subtrahend according to its column. 3,987 minus 3,672, 7 minus 2, that is 5, 8 minus 7, that is 1, 9 minus 6, that is 3, 3 minus 3, that is 0, so we don't have to put it anymore. So 3,987 minus 3,672, the difference is 315. And to check if our answer is correct, let's add 315 to the subtrahend 3,672. That will give us 3,987, which is the equivalent to the minuend of the given equation. Therefore, 315 is the correct answer. Discuss item 4. In this item, regrouping was necessary, but was not done. Instead of correctly regrouping, the smaller digit in the hundreds place was subtracted from the larger digit without considering whether the larger digit was in the minuend or the subtrahend. The digits in the subtrahend must always be subtracted from the corresponding digits in the minuend. If the digit in the subtrahend is greater than the digit in the minuend, regroup must be done before subtracting. Item 5. In this item, it appears that regrouping was done, but the number in the thousands place was not adjusted after regrouping. The difference in the hundreds place is correct. 11 minus 9 equals to 2. However, the digit 6 in the thousands place was not changed to 5. This is because 1,000 was regrouped into 10 hundreds, which was added to the 100 in the hundred place, making it 1,100. After regrouping, the thousand place should be adjusted to account for the regrouped 1,000. In this case, the 6 in the thousand place should have been reduced to 5. To solve it properly, let's subtract 6,123 minus 5,901. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 minus 0, that is 2. 1 minus 9 cannot be. We have to borrow 1 from 6. So 1 will become 11. 11 minus 9, that is 2. 6 will become 5. 5 minus 5, that is 0. So we don't have to put it anymore. And to check if our answer is correct, let's add the difference to its subtrahend. 222 plus 5,901, that is equivalent to 6,123, which is the minuend of the given equation. Therefore, 6,123 minus 5,901, the answer is 222. Making generalization. Everybody will going to read the generalization. Evaluating learning. Subtract using vertical form. Show your solution and final answer. Here are the correct answers.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!